Thank you.
See, the parent class M1 method is there. You override that method, right?
Okay. Mhm.
M1 method. Now, only M1 method is overridden. M2 method is not overridden, right?
Yeah.
See, now M1 method is overridden. When create object for the A1 class, which method will call?
M1.
This one, right? When
Yeah.
create a object for the A1 class,
A1.
call that M1 method. This method will come.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mhm.
When I create the object for the A2 class, when call M1 method, now tell me, here M1 method is there, here M1 method is available. Which method will call?
The parent one.
No. Override.
Okay. No.
Right?
No. Child.
Override.
Child one. Uh-huh.
Override, na, this method will call. Okay.
Yeah.
Now A2 dot M1, na, okay.
Mhm.
Which method will call? Child class method will
Child
call.
class method.
So A2 M1. Okay. Yeah. That is the overriding customer.
Okay. So this is the virtual keyword and the overriding. This is must put on there, right?
This
To
is
override it. Okay.
Yeah. The parent class virtual keyboard and child class na override keyboard na, then only the method overriding.
Yeah.
Okay, Masuma.
Okay. Thank you.
Give me 2 minutes. I'll be back. Just give me 2 minutes.
Okay.
Stop recording now.
Okay.
I'll be back in 2 minutes. Give me 2 minutes.
Sure. I'll share my screen. Okay.
Yeah. Got it, Masuma. This is the method overriding.
Yeah. Overriding. Yes. Bankit, on the top of the page is saying using system dot collections dot generic, using system dot text. What are these?
This is the namespace.
Oh, okay, namespace.
Imports. Okay, these are the See, now we can move to Selenium. Okay.
Okay. Okay. So this is a Selenium is the tools.
Yeah.
Okay.
So Selenium. Okay.
Yeah.
What is Selenium? Selenium is a open source automation tool. Okay.
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 Mhm.
Automation tool. Open source automation tool. Okay.
Okay.
Selenium. See, Selenium support web applications. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Web application. Standalone application means, see here also some applications are there, right?
Mm-hmm.
A calculator is there.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
This is not possible to automate.
Only the web-based application. Mm-hmm.
Okay. Using
Okay.
this is not possible to support web application, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Like whatever you can browse, right?
Amazon.com. So Amazon, what is Amazon? This is a web application,
Web
right?
application, yeah.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Facebook.
Yeah.
This is a web application, right?
Google.
Google. The web
Web
application, right?
application. Yeah.
So yeah, Selenium support
Only the web-based.
application.
Mm-hmm.
All major versions. See, it support for
All major
Chrome,
browsers.
Firefox,
Mm-hmm.
Edge, major. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Like that. See, we support for class platform. Means
Okay.
Selenium support Windows. You can run the Selenium in Windows, Linux mission. You have Linux mission now. It is possible to run Linux mission, and Mac mission is there, right? Mac. So it will support Windows, Linux, Mac,
Okay.
anywhere.
Yeah. Anyway. Okay. Mm-hmm.
Selenium support class platform. Anywhere it's support.
Yeah.
Okay. See, you observe here, Selenium directly supports for all our versions, all our web applications, means Chrome, IE, Edge, like this. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Mobile devices is available, right? In the mobile device also,
Yeah.
Chrome is there, Firefox is there, usable, some browsers are available, right? And the mobile also some
Yeah.
apps available.
Apps. Yeah.
Okay. Selenium support for those, but
With the
we
help
need to
of.
install other APM tool is also required.
Oh, okay.
When mobile must should be APM required. APM
It's like apps.
server talk with APM talk with mobile browser, like that.
Okay.
Okay. Here Selenium directly interact with mobile browsers, our desktop browsers.
Desktop is
Okay.
direct. Okay.
Here this is a desktop browser, right?
Yeah.
Chrome is a desktop. Selenium directly talk with
Support.
our desktop browsers. In the same way, the mobile also browser is there, right? Selenium is not directly talk with mobile browser. Okay.
Yeah.
Talk with APM talk with mobile. Some APM one tool is there. Okay. That is the without Selenium not possible to automate the mobile browsers. With the help of APM and Selenium, we can support the
Mobile devices.
mobile.
Yeah.
Is that okay?
Yeah.
And Selenium support multiple Selenium Java is there, Selenium C# is there, Selenium Python is there, Selenium Ruby is there. Okay. So many like that. Okay.
Yeah.
You can develop the code with Java or C# or Python or Ruby or like that. These are the supporting languages. Selenium. So what is the Selenium? Is an open source automation tool. In the same way, QTP is also there. QTP. This is a paid tool. Okay. Automation. This is one type of the automation. GenRX. This is one type of the automation tool. Okay. LeanFT. This is one of the automation tool. Okay.
Yeah.
So many is there. Okay.
Yeah.
These all are also automation tools. Selenium is also automation tool. But here, these all are paid tools.
Okay.
Only Selenium is a open source. Remaining all are paid tools.
Okay.
Need to pay.
Got it.
Subscription should be take yearly subscription.
Yeah.
But Selenium don't need to pay anything. Free.
Open source. Yeah.
Open source. Yeah. So many languages are, so many tools are there. Same. You can automate this same. You can do here also.
Okay.
Okay. But here the open source, this is automation tool.
Yeah.
QTP support only Windows.
Yes.
Not possible to automate in Linux machines, Mac machines, not possible. Okay, it will support only
Windows.
Only. Okay.
Yeah.
Then Alex support only Selenium with C# language only. Okay.
Yeah.
DNF also C# only. Like that. Some restrictions available here.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Here the Selenium no restriction. It will support for all
Java.
languages. But Cucumber support Windows also. Windows app means calculator is there, right?
Yeah.
Through a QTP, you can automate Windows applications also. Okay. This also you can possible to automate.
Yeah.
Got it, na?
Yeah.
But Selenium purely support only
web application. Only. Yeah.
That is the disadvantages. Coming to here, that is the advantages.
Yeah.
but one is advantage is this is a open source. Here
Yeah.
coming to this, this is a paid tool, but it will support Windows application.
Those application.
It will not support Windows application. Possible to support mobile browsers also here with the help of APM.
APM.
Here also some mobile browsers also. Okay.
Okay.
It is paid tool, right?
Yeah.
So you come here, can write a multiple language, Java, C#, Python, any language. Coming to here,
They are
this is only-
specific languages.
yeah, this is only you can
C#
write a language. Not only Java is not support like that. Some restrictions are available.
Yeah.
Finally, we are going to Selenium. Okay.
Yeah.
The Selenium components available. Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Selenium IDE, RC, Selenium IDE, Selenium RC. Selenium Web Developer. These are the four components available. Okay.
Okay.
Selenium.
Great.
Selenium.
IDE, Selenium RC, Selenium WebDriver, and Selenium Grid.
Okay.
Okay.
Only these four components available in the Selenium. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Selenium IDE means record and playback. Just record and playback. That's it. That is the Selenium IDE. Okay.
Yeah. This is the function of the Selenium IDE. It just record and playback.
Just Selenium IDE, no? Just record and playback. That's it.
Okay. And what about Selenium RC?
Okay. Record and playback. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Selenium IDE. Okay.
Yeah.
See, Selenium IDE. Select the first link. Okay. Selenium IDE for Chrome. Okay.
Yeah.
Select the first link. So add to Chrome. Okay. This is a plugin. Just Selenium IDE is a small plugin. Plugin for browsers. Very small plugin. Okay. Plugin. Just click add extension. That's it. No need to anything. No need to specific installation. Just plugin.
Just
Okay.
plugin. Okay.
Yeah, installed, right?
Yeah.
So previously this is not there, right? Now this one is installed.
Installed. Yeah.
Closing, right? Here Selenium IDE, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Pin.
Yeah.
Here it will display.
Yeah.
It will display. Otherwise, under extension available, if you
Yeah.
pin,
Yeah.
it will display. Click on. See, this is the click on it now. This is
Yeah.
the Selenium IDE.
Yeah.
Okay. See, after clicking now, record a new test case in the new project, open existing project, create a new project, close the IDE.
Yeah.
Okay. So If already there now, you open the existing project. So first of all, we creating a new project, right? Just
Yeah.
creating project now. Part one.
Yeah, yeah.
Record new project, right? Record new test, new project, right? So
Yeah.
first one, I select first one and project name. Some Google test, anything, some, okay?
Yeah.
Select Google project, any project name, click on OK, enter URL, https, okay?
Yeah.
google.com. This is the URL, right?
Yeah.
Okay?
Mm-hmm.
URL. Select start recording. Okay?
Yeah.
Now hit enter. Okay? That's it, right? Now
Yeah.
I'm again going to here. I'm stop the recording. Got
Okay.
it, Maslima?
Yeah, yeah, got it.
Test case name,
Google.
G test.
Okay. Mhm.
Okay? The project name is Google test.
Test.
You given any name. Okay?
Yeah.
Test case name, G test. I'm doing like this.
Yeah.
Okay?
Uh-huh.
Okay? Now
Yeah.
just you recorded, right?
Yeah.
Just recorded. That's it, right? This is the project name. This is the test. See, you observe now. This is the open application
Yeah.
and the window size. You type Selenium and press enter key. These are the 4 steps recorded here. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
How to record now? Multiple test cases available. Run all. This is the option for run all. As of now, only one test case available, right?
Yeah.
Run
Current test.
test. Just clicking that. See, open Google Chrome and got it now. Test case is passed.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Here one option is there, timer. Okay. You
Mhm.
put change the timing like that. Okay.
Mhm.
Then I'm executing. See here, previously it's fast, right? Now very
So,
slow.
yeah.
Okay, like
Yeah.
that. You can
Okay.
cushion mode also.
Yeah.
Fast or slow. Okay.
Yeah.
You can add multiple test cases also here. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Like that. That's it. Okay. That is the Selenium ID. Just record and play.
Playback. Yeah.
That's it. You don't do anything. This is the functionality.
Selenium ID.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Record and playback.
Yeah.
Now tell me advantages. Now tell me. So Selenium ID now.
You can record and playback.
Record and playback, right?
Yeah.
Okay. You require Selenium ID. You need any language?
No.
Java, C#.
No.
Okay.
You don't need anything.
Nothing. Okay. No need to learn any language. Okay.
Yeah.
Straightforward, right? Just record and play the skips. Okay. See, some disadvantages also available. This plugin is right. Okay. This plugin. See,
Yeah.
you
Just
install
plug it. Yeah.
Chrome, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Not possible to run in this script in Edge browser. Okay. This
Yeah.
extension available only this plugin. Chrome and Firefox only.
Okay.
Selenium ID plugin. This is a plugin, right? Okay.
Yeah.
Selenium
Yeah.
ID. This plugin support for only Chrome and Firefox.
Firefox. Yeah.
Run. Not possible to run. Okay. Edge browser is not possible. IE browser is not possible. Like that. Okay.
Yeah.
Got it now?
Yeah.
Only. Run only.
Only Chrome and Firefox.
This plugin is available only.
Only
that
Chrome
way.
and Firefox. Yeah.
See, just you record and play back, right?
Yeah.
Not possible to customize your code, right?
Yeah.
Customize your like that.
Yeah. Not possible.
Not possible.
Mhm.
If condition is not possible here, not
Yeah.
possible, right?
Yeah.
Not possible to validate like that, na?
Mhm.
Okay. Not possible to put custom conditions, custom loops like that.
Yeah.
Custom code is not possible here.
Yeah.
Just and playback. Custom logic, anything, custom condition, not possible to put condition, not possible to put loops, not possible to put some validation, nothing. Just you are using
Yeah.
just
No. Okay. Arguments or any logic.
argument, nothing is there. Just
Yeah.
record and play. That is the concept of the Selenium IDE. Okay, these are the disadvantages. So see, first of all, this is not support for bigger applications, right? Just a record and play back, no? Not
Yeah.
possible to automate
See.
bigger application, right? All applications is also some lengthy, but bigger application is 100% not possible, right? Not possible to automate this IDE with a bigger applications.
Bigger application.
Yeah. See, one more option is there. This is the script, right, Masruma?
Yeah.
Okay. Here, 3 dots available, right? Here,
Yeah.
you observe now. Here,
Yeah.
rename the test case.
Duplicate.
Here
Yeah.
the test case. Read the
Delete.
test case.
Export.
Export. These 3 is you know, right? Rename, duplicate, delete. Okay. Export now. See the click on export. Okay. See,
Okay.
you need C#, for example, C# in unit. I'm selecting this one. Select export button. Okay. I'm saving this file. Save. Okay. These are the right.
Yeah.
Open in. Open with. See, you write any code, na? Nothing, right?
Yeah.
But you put that code, na? This is the Selenium C# code.
Code.
Who
Yeah.
write this code? Okay. Selenium IDE converted this code.
Okay.
Got it, na?
Yeah.
The advantage.
Okay.
One more advantage. Export code to
C#
multiple Yeah, multiple languages like C Sharp, Java also like that, C Sharp, Java, Python, like that. Okay, got it,
Yeah.
Masima?
Yeah.
This is the advantage. These are the disadvantages. That's it. That is the Selenium IDE.
Okay.
Nothing specific. No. Okay. In real time is not possible. Okay. Only Selenium IDE possible to run the automation. No? It's not possible. Okay. But Selenium IDE one concept is there. Using this concept, we can record and play the scripts. Okay.
Okay.
What is the advantages now? For you need a Selenium IDE, no need to run, no need
Any specific
any
language? Mm-hmm.
you want to record and play. That's it. Okay. Just
Yeah.
record and play back and export to this code to multiple languages. You can see the code also. Disadvantages. Now this is support for only
Only the
Firefox
common
and
Firefox. Yeah.
available and Firefox and Chrome only. Not possible to run GIE like that. Is not okay. Not possible to custom logic. See,
Yeah.
just record and play. That's it.
Yeah.
Not possible to put argumentation is not possible, condition is not
Conditions.
possible, everything is not possible. Okay,
Yeah.
just play and record and play. That's it. Okay.
In bigger application, not possible.
But small classes is a very big confusion and very big for that. 100% not possible for bigger applications. Okay.
Okay.
These are the advantages and disadvantages of using Selenium. Selenium IRC. Okay. This is called also Selenium 1.0. Okay.
Yeah.
This one is outdated. See, Selenium 1.0, no one using now. This one is duplicated, outdated. Got it, Masuma?
Yeah.
No one using RC.
No one using RC. Old version? Okay.
Old version. Selenium 1.0 means this is the old version. This is actually this is outdated. Okay. No
Yeah.
need to learn this. Okay. You learn now, okay, but no nothing. Already no one using this Selenium RC. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. This version is outdated. Okay. RC support for see Selenium RC, you install Selenium RC, everything now. It
Yeah.
not support for closures. It support for IE, Firefox, Chrome, Edge, everything is okay. But
only the older
as
versions.
As of now, Chrome is 80 something was there. But you run through Selenium RC na below 40, 40, 42, 45, up to 45 only support. Got it, Masuma?
Yeah.
So latest
it doesn't support.
It's not support.
Okay.
You downgrade the version, Chrome version to 45, like that, 42, then it will possible. So
okay.
In any everyone using latest, right?
Yeah.
For that reason, no one using this one. Okay.
Okay.
Selenium RC. No one asking the also Selenium RC.
Okay.
No need to learn so many things here. Okay.
Okay.
That is waste of time and waste of nothing. No need to worry about the Selenium RC.
Okay.
Selenium RC is called also called as Selenium 1.0. This support for older versions of, or it will support same IE, Firefox, Chrome, everything is possible, but that is older version only, support for older versions only. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Main disadvantages now. Selenium need to start manually server. Okay.
Yeah.
Here in MRC. Okay. Okay. These are the no need to how to start server. No, not required. Don't learn these things. Okay.
Yeah.
Anyone ask now? Have any experience in Selenium RC? I don't have any experience in the Selenium RC. Anyhow, Selenium RC is a older version that is now outdated. No one using Selenium RC. I know the Selenium RC. Selenium RC support for older versions only, and it need to start manually these things. No, I'm not using Selenium RC. So
Okay.
my company WebDriver only, like that. You can ask. No
Okay.
one asking like that.
Mhm.
One using Selenium RC. That is damn sure. First of all, that is outdated. Okay. If you require now,
Yeah.
downgraded. Okay.
Yeah.
Downgraded. You will get it, then only Selenium RC will support. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Selenium Grid. No. Selenium WebDriver, right?
Yeah.
This is called a Selenium 2. This is the latest one. Okay.
Yeah.
All are using Selenium WebDriver only. Okay.
Yeah.
No one use Selenium RC. Now Selenium WebDriver, that is also called a Selenium 2. Okay.
Yeah.
Selenium RC, someone called Selenium 1.0.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mhm.
Someone called Selenium RC, someone called Selenium 1.0. Anyhow, this is outdated. No need to learn this thing. Okay. Simply, this one is completely outdated. Okay.
Yeah.
And Selenium WebDriver. This is called a Selenium 2 or 2.0 something. Okay. This is
Okay.
called a Selenium WebDriver. So everyone using Selenium WebDriver only. Okay.
Yeah.
This is the very big concept. It will take more time. Okay, Mr. Ma?
Okay.
Selenium Grid. So Selenium Grid is a nothing. Just Selenium Grid na run the script in the different missions. That's it.
Different machine.
Got it?
Okay.
For example, code, scripts, everything available here. You run the test case now. Run
Yeah.
here only, right?
Yeah.
Using Selenium Grid na. Okay, you run the test cases na in the
Different
different
machine.
mission.
Okay.
This execution will start. That is the Selenium Grid. Got it na?
Yeah.
First of all, this is a very big concept. This is a small concept, no need to worry. This is the
big concept for the WebDriver.
Selenium WebDriver. Okay, Master Ma. We will
Okay.
connect.
We'll connect Wednesday, Banket, because I have something important tomorrow and day after tomorrow. So hopefully everything should be good on Wednesday. So I'm just hoping so we can connect more often. That's the way, we can finish it quickly.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you. Bye.